Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So in the previous video, there was some uh, technical problem. So I had to shut the video and now I'll continue from the same lecture. Okay. So we were at the roof level and I explained you that 10.904 is my roof concreting, which includes my column, beam and slab, and 2.494 is my staircase concrete quantity, right? Because staircase has to go up to the roof level. So first floor, second floor, and up to the roof, we have done it. Now here I'm not going to add my lintel and chajja quantity. The reason is that while I was explaining you the interior drawing to take out the brickwork quantity and all, you check here. This was my ground floor level and this was my first floor. Over that we did not have anything, right? It was a G+1 structure. Whereas the earlier drawing what we had, this was that earlier drawing, no, it was a G+2 structure here. So that is the reason what I have done. I'll not consider my this thing, which is that lintel and chajja quantity in this. Okay, but if you still feel no sir, I want to add, you add some normal quantity, that is okay. If because anyhow we are practicing here 13.398 plus you take another, let us say how much was that? Yeah, 2.4 you add your chajja, this thing lintel concrete quantity, and chajja you take another 15 cubic meter of a chajja will come. So based on that you can try to do the calculation, but I hope you understood the concept and that is sufficient. Again, I'll multiply this by 6500 because I'm keeping all my rate same, and if I multiply this I'll get the total cost that is required. Okay, that requires 87,000 rupees is required if I want to put my roof concreting. So quickly I'll change this into the dollar part. Okay, divide by 18. So and if I drag it, I'll get all the answers. And then if I right click, format cells, and if I go to the currency part, put it. Okay, fine, fine, great. So these are the rates in the dollar. Fine. Up to here, you have done all your RCC work. That is also done. Now let us understand few more things. Okay. The first thing is that I told in the DSR, like this is how you're supposed to write the BOQ, and we took the rate from here, right? This is a rate. Along with that, if you're using recycled aggregate and all, you can take the same rate. Now again, if I go forward, okay, in BOQ you can write in another way. Okay, so if you see here, you can write another way. Instead of writing up to the plinth level or ground floor, instead of writing first floor, you can separate it out, like footing you add separately, column you take separately, okay, then beam you take separately. That also can be done. In few of the BOQ, they directly mention instead of first floor, I'll take it out. Okay, instead of first floor, they'll write here column now, column. Okay, then they'll write the beam part, then they'll write the slab part. In this way also you can take out the quantities, and accordingly you're supposed to do that. So if you go back to the BOQ, that is this thing, you can see here that is how they have written. Okay, see here what they have written: reinforced cement work in walls any thickness including attached pilasters, buttress, plinth and string courses, and all these things up to the plinth level, and up to above plinth level up to floor fifth floor, excluding the cost of centering, shuttering, finishing and reinforcement. Okay, this is how they are given: 1:5:3 ratio if you want to add. Okay, then you calculate the wall quantity, and for wall concreting they will charge you 10,185 rupees. Similarly for the floor, okay, see here, reinforced cement concrete work in beam, suspended floor, roof, having slope up to 15% for landing, balconies, chajjas, and lintel if you want to take for M15 grade, M20 grade of concrete, you can charge this much amount. Okay, so it totally depends on you how you want to prepare your BOQ. Similarly, they have given up to here. Okay, that means for a slab they have given it separately, for beam they have given separately. That way also you can do, but what we did, we did not go with that BOQ. What we did is we just said for up to ground level this is the one, up to the first floor this is the one. So based on that we have prepared our BOQ, and this is the rate what we have given. Okay, fine. Along with that, now the question is, this is only up to the plinth level, right? What about if it is first floor, second floor, third floor? Anyhow we have taken the rate here. In the BOK, I'll show you where it is written. Okay, so if I go for next, yeah, so I'll go forward again because there are a lot of things here, so that is why it will take some time for you to understand. Okay, yeah, yeah. Now this is design mix concrete, because we know that up to M20 is a nominal mix. Whatever we do above 20, that is 25, 30, 35, everything is a mixed design. For that they have given all the work up to the plinth level. If you're using a M25 grade of concrete, then you have to charge 7,997 rupees. If it is M30 grade of concrete, then this is a cost what you're, this is a rate per cubic meter. If it is M35 grade of concrete, then this is a rate per cubic meter. This is only up to the plinth level. So above the plinth level, they have given here all the work above plinth level up to 5th floor, then you have to consider this rate. That is 10,080 for M25 grade of concrete. M30 to be 10,221 and so on. Okay. Now they have written all work. All work implies that it can be a footing, column, beam, slab, staircase, anything, whatever element it may be, doesn't matter. If you're going up to plinth level and if it is M25 grade of concrete, take this rate. Very simple. Okay. Again, if it is above plinth level, let us say first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth, up to the 5th floor, then if it is M25 grade of concrete, you have to take 10,080 rupees as your charge. You're getting my point? In that case, what you are going to do, you are going to prepare your BOQ according to this. That means what you will do, simple. Up to the plinth, you will do one thing. Let us say, I'll give one this thing, kind of assignment. See, mine is M25 grade of concrete. Now you prepare a BOQ. So you'll prepare up to plinth, up to plinth. After that, you'll prepare first floor. Okay. Then you'll prepare second floor. This is how you're supposed to prepare your BOQ. Then you'll write third floor. Okay. And now you write your this thing rate for up to the plinth. What is the rate for M25 grade? For M25 grade, see the rate from here. Yeah. All work up to the plinth level. For M25 grade, my rate is 7,997. So what I'll write 7,997. Okay, fine. Now for first floor, you tell me what is the rate. For first floor, I don't get here. So it's written all work above the plinth level up to the 5th floor. If it is M25, you take 10,080. Now for all the floor, I'll write 10,080 rupees. Okay, 10,080. Similarly, here also same thing. Okay. Now here, what will happen in few contractors, they increase the rate floor wise. That also can be done, but depends on the contractor what is going to do. Okay. Got it? No? Whatever was written here, same thing I've done in my BOQ. You see, up to the plinth level, I've taken 6,500. Okay, because this is my M20 grade of concrete, and this is the rate what is going on in the market. First floor I took separately, second floor, then I took roof, and that's it. Footing and all, I added it later, leave it, not required. Getting my point? So in this way, you're supposed to prepare the BOQ, and finally, this is a total concrete quantity. Okay, if you add everything, you'll get the total concrete quantity that will go in your complete building. Okay, that's it. Fine. So other than that, other part, the BOQ part, I've explained you how these people have done different BOQs. Here also he has done the same thing. See, plinth beam I explained you. Then ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor he has done the BOQ. So in this way, each people have their own way of doing the BOQ. Great. Other than that, rest all things you just note down these numbers and all. Okay, like 5.1.2 and all, so that it is easy for you to search it in the DSR, because it has a lot of pages. It's difficult. It has more than, see how much pages we have. 270 pages we have in volume 1, another 270 pages we have in volume 2. Okay, that is why. And prepare your BOK according to that. This is 5.1 clause SOR number. This is 5.1.2 I have written. Okay, great. So in the next lecture, we'll go with the shuttering work. After that, we'll go with the brickwork, plastering, then flooring work, then we have painting BOQ, then the reinforcement, and finally we'll add all the cost, which will give us a total cost of a project. So we'll see you back in the next lecture.